Welcome to my channel. Today we give a playing. I forgot what is it? Oh, ghosts. Here we go. Okay, I'm letting you. So all of this, let's go. Oh, shut up! Oh my gosh, guys.
Fuck the dog.
Oh, let's go! I don't know why. There you go. Yes, like minute you. Let's go. Let's go. Where is this girl? This girlie. Is this girlie playing for the first time? No. Let's find another person. I don't need this anymore. Oh, there is my ammo. No, I don't have ammo. Tap. Quick restarts and these people. Oh man. Yeah, I think I don't use any just because I said so. Okay, there you go. I got some ammo. Sticks! Can I pick up the sticks? No. Shit! Shit! I should have. Wait, do I have two on me? Shit! No! No. Oh. Bro didn't see me. Shit! Oh, I don't have enough ammo. Who went? You hit. What did I just say? Yeah, this is bad. I'm sure they could. No, where am I gonna get the animals from? Wait, Lord. Man. Is there anybody dead? Great. Shit. Bam got to save me. Let's go. Shit. I'm just kidding. Okay, she has been recent. I don't need a shotgun. Let's take this. Okay, Ram died. Not great. Let's go. We got eagle. Oh my god, the ammo! Let's go! Let's go! Nope, I didn't. These type of guns. Is there any rare guns I have made? How much this cost? How much do I have? Oh, I thought that much. Should I choose? Or should I choose? I don't know if this is worth it. Yeah, I need to stop using the British accents. Like what? Ah. Oh, I'm missing the shots. Let's go! Should I use this? This shit. Wait, what? Okay. There we go. Let's play. Let's go. Where's my... Oh my god! Bro, what am I doing? It's a random guy. What are they doing? Oh my gosh! I hate these boys. Boinya! Oh my gosh. That was bad. I should have went to go so like. I'm gonna do it again at least. No. Where is it? Let's go! What have bad things? When I was in the top. One. No! Bro has bad aim. Oh, I will take the moon. It's bad aim. Let me choose this one. Play! I'm taking a video. Alright. Alright. Oh my god! Oh man! No! I really want. Oh man. Dog. Like a dog. So whenever there we go. Hop. Food. Okay, I'm a little pro at this, that's it. Look. At least I got coins. Oh. This guy looks like someone else. No! The ammo disappeared! Okay. Somebody just I'm gonna die. Oh. See, they die. Wait, why did you say they died? I should say I died. Oh, hi. Bro ran out of ammo. Yeah. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Oh, bro got my back. No, wait. Dog tag what? That's a bad name. Oh. Oh, there's two Bagans fighting each other. Moses here. I'm gonna just clean you, alright? Oh, a dog? I hate you, dog. I'm just killing clean. Sorry. Should I get him? No. his brother like a dog's brother. Why am I saying dog too much? Okay, the good thing is I am at 28. So that's alright. Oh my god, this unit. I thought bro died. No, no, no! At least bro's gonna die. It's my turn. Okay. Maybe bro's crashing out. I got you back. Oh my god. There you go. No! Oh my god. Bro, I didn't cook the VFD. Yeah, this gun is actually all powered. Oh. Wait. How much did I die? Can you count, guys? Oh my gosh. Oh my god, that's buggies. There you go. Where's the white one? Yep. Good thing. No! Your problem. You're dead, Tiffany. Oh my god, whoa, this girl? I hate her so much. I'm sorry, okay? I'm sorry. Oh my god. There you go. Please, don't leave. Thank you. Oh my god! Play. Maybe she's crashing out right now. Oh my god, I ran out of ammo. No. This can't be true. Shit. Oh! Oh shit. Alright, I'm good. How did I? No! Shit. I gotta get it. Ow! Yeah. Well, how did I get it? There you go. No! There you go. I'm gonna save some for that. I need to get some ammo. Oh my. It's that hard? Right now, how much ammo? At least bro didn't get any ammo. That's good. I should be in the first place. Oh! There's a rock! Spotted me. Why am I the target one? Thank you, I guess. Oh my god, my hand is so sticky. I'm gonna cheat, guys. I don't need cheetah that much. Oh, you wanna mess with me? Huh? Yeah. Oh, somebody's attacking me. Then, oh my god! Oh my god! How did I drop a nuke? How did I drop a nuke? Oh. Yeah, I'm safe. Oh man, don't take it. How dare you? Wait, me? Yay! Let's go. I'm the third. How did it roll? Yay! Now I'm gonna unlock my new thing. I will choose Happy Hood though. Happy Hood is good. Yeah, Happy Hood is good. I don't want this here. No, I forgot to unlock it. At least I got a Happy Hood. Four. No! Bro, how is he so pro?
Well, the box from Indiana has no idea what's going on.
There you go.
Roblox is shutting down soon.
Should? No! Who the heck is this dragon? Okay guys, that's it for today, and I hope you enjoy my videos, and bye. Bye.